on.
How is your cold carrot?
Hi everyone! Today we have no idea what we're doing.
No, you don't.
No.
You thought I left to go get you some dinner.
Yes.
So you guys are all really hungry.
Yeah.
You've all been working really, really hard today.
Yeah, we've been cleaning the house.
We got to do some chores today.
So, but now you guys thought you're gonna get something really good for dinner.
Yeah.
Right? You saw me bring in my dinner.
Yeah.
So today, the Norris Nuts have done this before.
Yes.
So they've done, it is, let me get it. Last to eat carrots wins.
What?
And they get the prize box.
Wait, you have to eat them the whole time?
Yep. The last to eat carrots. Are you guys really hungry? So carrots sound good because you're so hungry, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so your carrots are for dinner.
What? No.
That's what's for dinner.
No. I don't want carrots. I don't want carrots for dinner.
Don't you want to win the prize box?
Yeah. Yeah, but I don't want carrots for dinner. I don't.
Okay, there's the prize box. And whoever is the last to stop eating carrots wins
I don't want to.
the prize box. So let's wash up your carrots so you guys can start eating.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like them if they were baby carrots.
You're not excited that they're the big carrots?
No.
I'll get them washed up.
I don't want carrots for dinner.
Yeah, but you get to win the prize box.
Mom, but I don't want carrots for dinner.
Do you want to win the prize box?
Yeah.
Yep, okay, so last one to stop eating carrots wins.
I don't want to.
The last one to stop eating carrots wins. Let me wash them up and it's time to eat.
No.
There's so many carrots.
I
Your carrots. Yep, you can quit.
go to They're gonna eat pizza.
You're gonna quit? You're gonna quit without
I'm quitting.
starting?
I'm quitting.
Brownie wants carrots.
Yeah, you don't get the
Can we
prize
go?
box.
Can we
You
go?
don't get the prize
No,
box.
it's mine.
I called dibs on that one. I called dibs.
Ready, set. Last one to eat carrots wins. The last one to stop eating carrots wins.
Brownie wants to eat the carrots with us. Are we gonna turn into a carrot?
How are those carrots?
I don't want
They're good.
I don't like it. Nothing shitty.
Everly hasn't started
Really
yet.
hard.
You gonna grab one, Ev?
I can't even think. Yeah. I like them peeled after.
They're not peeled. They're washed.
This is gross. I feel like a reindeer.
How do reindeers eat like this?
They're not good?
Why do reindeers dash and dance and pinch and Dixon? I hate this dinner. Why do they, and Rudolph, why do they even eat these? I hate this dinner.
But you want to win the prize box,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
Ooh, what?
Are you gonna break a tooth?
Uh-huh.
So are they tasty, not being peeled?
No.
They don't taste the same.
They taste the same? They
Give
don't?
us a clue what's in the box.
Nope.
Worst dinner ever.
I think I might win. None of them want it.
I hate this dinner.
I don't want it for dinner, but like,
You just said that you don't want carrots. Grossest dinner in my life.
Why do you think it's so gross?
Not peeled. Not peeled.
So they taste better peeled, huh?
Yeah.
Look at all those delicious carrots you guys get to eat.
so they feel like you're gonna rip out your
They're
teeth.
disgusting.
And if you keep eating, you can have them for breakfast tomorrow and lunch and dinner too.
No.
They feel like you're gonna rip out my tooth, like a caramel apple sucker did. That was not fun.
Yes, that happened to you, didn't it?
Ow! I feel like a rabbit. That's what we are. Rabbits, because bunnies and
Rudolph.
call them. said a bunny eats a rabbit. A bunny eats carrots. Yes.
So you guys are so hungry. Don't the carrots taste pretty good to you?
No.
Kind of. But
A little bit.
Really.
A little bit, but don't really like it. Okay, eat like a bunny. 3, 2, 1. No. I bit my tongue.
I think I ate most of that.
You got one carrot down. So now it's another carrot, Bryn.
Oh no.
Good job. She got one down. You guys are still working on the first carrot.
This one is actually better. I don't think that carrot was very good.
You're just so hungry they're starting to taste better.
Probably.
How is that carrot?
Corn. 3, 2, 1,
It's what?
eat like a rabbit. It's corn.
Oh, you're eating it like corn. You wish it was corn, huh? Is it good, Ed?
I'm eating it like corn.
Is it good? Do you like your carrot? No. What about you? Do you like it, Bria?
The worst year in my life.
But you're eating it. What about you, Bryn?
I want to rinse off.
It's pretty good. I don't want it for dinner, but it's good.
I want pizza for dinner, Mom.
Oh no, you guys get carrots. The last one to stop eating carrots wins.
There has to be an elimination.
I know. I'm gonna have to get out of temptation for y'all.
Well, they're not gonna be out.
Okay, I have your first temptation. Look, I just picked up some pizza, some Little Caesars, olive pizza, because you all like olive pizzas.
I'm out. I'm done. I'm out.
I don't want that.
Bria, you don't want to win the prize box?
I want to win it, but I really want pizza. I've been asking. I really want pizza.
I know, but the last person to stop eating carrots wins the prize box.
Ow.
I still want some pizza though. So can I have a slice?
Then that means you're out. That means you don't get to win. Bryn's trying to break a tooth on her carrot.
Ow.
I'm going to break the tooth over here. I really want pizza.
Who's gonna take the pizza?
Can I eat the whole thing?
No.
You think you could eat the whole
gotta
pizza?
save some for
I don't
me.
know if you could.
There's some for me. I really want it.
Then you
This giant pizza compared to a carrot. Look at that.
So I can win.
I know, it looks so good.
Maya, should we get out for this? No.
Maya wants to win the prize box.
And me.
And you too. Bria's gonna be...
Stop getting it close.
I do not want carrots for dinner. I want pizza for dinner.
Okay, you don't get the prize box.
Whatever.
You're mean.
You share.
She put it right next to me.
I don't know, they might not share. Ah,
She put
Bria
it right next to
is
me. She's so mean.
out.
That's cheese crust,
Bria's
right?
out. You ate it. You ate your pizza. That means you're out. You stopped eating carrots.
This is so good. Way better than carrots. So one people as Bria is out.
She is out.
What? I couldn't stand pizza. I wanted pizza. God, that pizza looks so good.
I
If you eat
know.
pizza, then it's really soft.
Oh.
That's soft on your teeth.
It'll soften up your teeth. So if you're out.
It hurts.
I have another temptation for you. I know this is somebody's favorite.
That's mine.
She loves crazy bread. And, ooh, look, they're even not burned today. They're nice ones. Take off the brown cheese.
And there's one
With
cheese.
crazy sauce. Those soft, yummy,
For you.
Look at this.
crazy bread.
For you.
Everly, does that look really good to you? Do you want to quit?
You can
Do you
be
want
out
to
with
stop
me.
eating carrots?
No, I didn't want to eat my kill because I want to win the supply.
You do? Well, guess what? Your crazy bread is getting cold.
If it's getting cold, then I eat it.
Bria can eat it. Bria's out.
Yeah, so I can eat a pizza.
So she can be eating all your guys' food. Oh, look, she's dipping in the warm crazy sauce.
Double dip.
Ooh, is it so good? Nice and warm and delicious. How's your cold carrot?
Bad and is about to break my teeth.
How is your cold carrot? How was your cold carrot?
Ow!
Not good. I want pizza.
I can smell this yummy, crazy sauce, crazy bread, yummy olive pizza, because all y'all love olives. Missing out, it's all getting cold.
And I get a nice warm one.
Bria is enjoying the delicious warm pizza.
And I get pizza for dinner.
That's right. But she doesn't win the prize box.
It's fine. Don't let the hint, just one letter that's in it.
No hints, girl. It's a surprise. Okay, here's another temptation.
Yum.
Crush. Orange Crush.
I love Orange Crush.
Yeah.
I get some because I'm out.
That's right. Bria is out, so she can have some Orange Crush. Are all y'all gonna keep eating your carrot?
No.
Does that what said no to you, Evie? Was the soda?
No.
Wait, what?
Are you out?
I don't want that carrot.
Did I just win?
Yeah, me too. I don't like that carrot.
I don't know if you just won. Here, I'm gonna pour these sodas. Orange Crush getting poured right here. Ice cold Orange Crush.
Thank you. I know.
What? Are you quitting?
Yeah. I know.
Are you quitting?
I want this.
You're not gonna stop eating your carrots?
Thank you,
I do want the prize, but
You don't want the prize box?
I do want the prize, but
Come on, you know you want your carrots. Put the soda down and keep eating your carrots.
To just see
They're good for you. The soda's not good for you. Oh,
What?
you made a good choice.
Maya.
Is it delicious? Are you gonna quit, Evie?
It's delicious.
Are you gonna quit?
And it makes
I wanna
it
quit.
better than
No,
the prize
you gotta
box.
pick up your carrot and eat your carrot. That's the last person to stop eating carrots wins.
eating it.
How is that soda?
It's just really good, and it makes me not thirsty anymore. It's really good.
Your pizza delicious. Your olive pizza.
really
Your
good.
crazy bread and crazy sauce.
I'm getting really sick of carrots.
Is
Can
it
I
making
be
you hungry
out?
being right by the pizza?
Yeah, that's what this room just puts it right here.
Are you quitting, Maya?
Yeah.
Are you quitting? You're quitting.
Yeah.
Let's hear it.
Huh?
Say, I quit.
I quit.
You wimped out. Maya's out. I don't know. You can change your mind. You haven't taken a bite of the stuff yet, the pizza yet.
What? Jenny won't.
She's driving me crazy.
Jenny won't win the surprise. I know.
That's right. Evie, you better keep eating your carrot. Otherwise you won't win the surprise. You can't stop eating it. Are you out?
If you're out, then you get to eat all the food.
Evie, your best crazy bread is right here.
I know. It's not.
Your
It's
favorite.
cooked perfectly. With that sauce. Crazy bread is yummy breadsticks.
I like it. It'll be out for me.
Look at this.
With me.
There's sodas. I'll put that close to you. And you. And Bren.
Don't put
What?
that close to me.
Who's gonna quit?
Me.
Maya, are you quitting? Is Maya quitting?
For real? Or
Ah! Faker!
Crazy. Nope.
she's so mean.
Me gonna eat it. I
Do it.
no.
All the yummy
I
smell.
wanna eat it.
And it's getting cold. It's getting cold.
I wanna drink it.
Oh, she faked out again.
Hey! She's so mean. No, Maya.
You're not gonna quit.
No.
Bren's gonna
I
keep
want to
going. She's
win.
looking at this pizza. She must not be very hungry.
And try not to.
It's getting cold.
No, she's going to. I get it all. I know.
She's so red.
I And I get all of this warm. I'm still on my first carrot.
Come on, just drink it. I have on my third carrot and I'm almost on my fourth. I don't want to eat any more carrots.
No,
I want to win.
Just pizza.
I think Bria is gonna eat all the pizza.
Should I hurry and get out?
Do you feel bad for quitting early, Bria?
Not really, but I want pizza. I'm gonna be and yummy food I don't have to eat.
What did I hear over here?
And now for dinner. And now she's going to be out.
She's gonna be out? She keeps faking out.
No. No. I don't know.
Just
Need my mini milk.
It's getting cold. I'm getting warm. It's soda. It's cold.
I think Everly's pretty competitive.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
I think she wants to win.
She is. 10.
You have to keep eating your carrot, otherwise you're out.
Okay, I get it.
Yay!
Did you drink it?
Yes.
Ah! Mine is out. You're out. Yep, you can have your soda and carrots. Okay. So it's down to Bryn and Everly. You have to keep eating your carrot. Wait,
She's gonna drink it.
What?
Please let me drink it.
What?
She's drinking it.
Oh, was it really good, Evie? Is it worth getting out?
Yeah.
Is that delicious soda?
Thank you, Joe. I'm Sammy.
Oh, she'll share with you.
I want
Was it worth it, Maya?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, you're gonna go for pizza?
Yep. Pizza.
Oh, they're going for pizza. Oh. Is it cold pizza now?
Oh.
Not that much.
Is it still warm? Oh, is it delicious? Yes.
It's even softer than blue.
It's way softer than the carrot.
Oh.
Is it yum? Yeah.
That's way better than the carrot, the hard carrot that almost feels like it's gonna break out my teeth.
I know. Somebody here won.
Yeah,
Da,
that was
da,
a
da,
bad
da. It's Bryn. Bryn is the last person to stop eating carrots.
And now
she
I
ate
can
the most
stop.
carrots. How many carrots did you eat?
3.
Did you really? You ate
Yes.
3 carrots. I don't think
This
they
bag
finished.
was disgusting.
Well, they didn't even finish one.
I only started with 1.
You were just nibbling still on your first one. Bryn was so hungry she thought she could just do this, right?
Yeah.
Were you going to be able to eat another one?
No.
Were you feeling full?
Yeah.
So you were, so you don't feel like you need to eat any pizza now?
No, I want pizza.
You still want pizza?
Yes.
But do you think that you could have eaten breakfast and lunch and dinner and tomorrow straight carrots too?
I'd probably get sick if I did that. I don't want to eat carrots.
I wonder if you start to turn orange.
Yeah, I started seeing orange and green. That was weird.
I know, we got orange soda. Good job. So she gets to open the
Prize.
the prize box.
Yay.
Okay, y'all, she gets to open it up.
Here, will you please share with me? I was the first one out.
I'm going to see what it
Is being out a gift to Bryn?
Hey.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Ready? I'm going to open 3, 2, 1. I'm not sharing this.
What is it?
I got mystery Oreos
Yum.
and $5.
Oh, there's $5. I know, you only got one. She's got $5.
I know I should have won. I'll share the Oreos with you.
Is your pizza better?
I'll share them.
Yeah.
I can't speak.
Are you
I
sad
said
you didn't
sure.
wait?
Yeah, but still, I love this.
You're still happy you're finally eating pizza. Were the carrots really hard to eat?
Yes.
Yeah, Bria, was it really hard for you to eat the carrots? Yeah, you were out. So out when you could be.
I'll share these with you guys.
Yay!
It was so hard to eat the carrots
Video
because
open
I kept feeling like they're gonna break my teeth.
Go
And
eat
you
it
ate
right now.
too. So good job.
Yes.
Good job, girls. You did well. I thought you'd last longer. I really thought you would.
Yeah, but I can't last any longer because I know that Bryn will not get out.
She likes the carrots. Huh.
Except for that one carrot.
And you ate 3 carrots. You deserve to win just because you ate 3 too. So good job.
Hey,
Good job,
can we open
Bryn.
them right now? If I just eat one.
Yeah, you were still nibbling on your first one.
Yeah, this is her carrot. Right there.
Okay, open it up. Take a bite of your mystery Oreo.
Yum, I haven't
See
had
what
these.
flavor it is.
Oreo.
What flavor?
I have no idea.
Oh, someone already snagged one from you.
I'll give you guys some.
Yay!
Here you go. I really don't know what flavor this is.
Yeah. It smells something like.
So it doesn't taste like a normal Oreo, huh?
Mine is popcorn. Mine is cinnamon.
Maybe banana cream pie, kind of.
I never want carrots again.
But this was super fun.
Yeah. But only if they're not peeled, then I never want them. But when they're peeled, then I want them.
They're good. Yes. So thanks for watching.
Give us a big thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel. See you next